Hi, good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Say hi if you can hear my voice. Hey, welcome. Thanks for coming. Seriously, thanks for coming. I know I'm not like live streaming every day, but you guys still here. I mean, even though I don't stream every day. So today is FOMC day. FOMC gonna release at 2 p.m. Eastern time today. So we assume before FOMC like NYAM session and London session may be kind of choppy. Woohoo. I'm not so sure if it's the right choice to turn on the live stream today because I feel like it's no probability. You know, we got this huge bullish candle right at the market open at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So we're now like really premium right now. Um, how's my eye doing? Hey, thanks for asking. My left eye was swollen yesterday, so I have to read the chart with only one eye. That's insane. And now I'm a lot better. I went to the doctors, get some pills and some eye drops. So I think I can read the chart with both eyes. Finally, with both eyes. So price just hit the Asian low liquidity in both NQ and ES. I'm gonna trade my personal account today. I think I should show. Oh, sorry. Wait a moment. Can you see it? I'm actually already in the trade right now. Just actually at 1 minute before because I was like I just thinking. But this is Michael. This is Michael. You can see that this is actually live, so it's not a paper trading account. It's my real account. Um, because today's they increased the margin requirement because of FOMC. So so that's why I don't trade mini. But even if I trade mini, I'm gonna I'm gonna only trade 1 minute in live stream. That's what I think because trading personal account in live stream and by myself is a lot of difference and I never tried that before. So I'm not so sure how it's gonna affect my mentality and psychology because every small adjustment gonna change my mentality. I entered this trade because Well, first we got Asian no liquidity swap, and we have relative equal high above, but I don't think price will go that far, like right at the moment. And we got like bunch of L above. So I was like, just a little try. And it's Michael, you know. It's Michael, so I think it's worth it. I'm gonna move it to break even. Even though it's Michael, it's my money, you know. It's not proper money, it's my money. So just just move it to break even. Yeah, trading live is much more difficult because of the distraction of questions and opinions. Yeah, I've been receiving like lots of hate recently, so I'm just like I don't fucking care anymore. I'm just gonna do my thing. I make my money, I live a good life, that's all. I don't care any haters anymore. You are like a private trading only with only one eye. Yes, yes, exactly. We're inside a 1 minute CB right now. So it's reasonable for price to go back and hit my big break even. Can I make it smaller like that? Yeah, because I wanna see both. Okay, it's coming back right now. Well, since I'm trading personal account, I'm gonna move break even like a lot earlier than trading platforms because I got low reason to risk my capital, right? Yeah, I know we're in premium right now. I know, but okay, hit my break even right now. See, I'm safe, totally safe, totally safe, totally safe, and make $10. All right. Well, if price still going, it just mean my trade idea is right, but I just missed this trade. But it's fine. Okay, let's take a look to the vote. 39% bullish, 29% bearish, and 32% neutral. So it's just pretty much the same. Well, if it really goes to this buy side, it's gonna be funny. Haters are those that are jealous. Yeah. And I feel like most of the haters don't really know what they're doing with their trades. Like they they can't understand the proper moves and they keep complaining everything. You know, that's what haters do. And they can't even understand why time is fractal, why people trading seconds chart, why there's 15 seconds, 30 seconds chart, you know. So instead of wasting time on them. Just focus on myself. Well, I really think this could work, but no, I won't enter it again because it's a bit high to my stop loss right now, like around 20 to 30 points. It's too much for personal account, in my opinion. So no. And as I said before, the first rule is preserve capital. It's always preserve capital instead of taking a winning trade. And I think I'm right to be conservative on trading life because if you watch my streams before, I if I'm trading portfolio accounts, I can take like 5 minutes, right, or more, if the accounts like have enough contract size for me. We will trade after FOMC. No, I don't think so. I don't think so because it's because it's late night for me. I'm sleepy. That's the reason. It's not like there's no high probability trade. I just tired. And when I'm too tired, I'm gonna make one decision. I know it. So I'm just skip it. And price may be kind of choppy today, I think. But still, just see what we got. And because it's choppy and it's low, that's why we have this live stream, right? So we can like talk about price together and talk about any other things, and about any other like trading related or or not related. May I ask what model did you trade? Turtle soup. Turtle soup model. My favorite model because I love tight stop loss, and turtle soup provide this kind of probability, this kind of chance for me, which other models need like a slightly larger stop loss. Well, I'm using like HQ right now. I was wondering, do you guys have any other brokers can recommend to me? Because there's something about them I don't really like. The margin requirement for trading wheel is a bit high. I mean, if I use other trading platform like HQ Pro or Withmate, then I can have like less margin rate. But I use HQ because I want to trade on trading view. So AMP banned lots of Asia countries, so we can't use it anymore. Sad. I love TraderVay and NinjaTrader, but they don't have that feature that when we drag the stop loss and take profit, it's gonna show the dollar amount, right? In AMP and HQ, but it won't show on TraderVay and NinjaTrader. Only show the buy limit order or like sell stop order. But though we Asians are good at math, but I don't want to calculate it every time. Okay, so and I don't understand why they don't have this function. I mean, it's kind of simple function, isn't it? Ban the AMP ban the Asia. Well, most of us got banned. They didn't say officially ban the Asia countries, but um, when you apply, they will ban you. And even though you open the account successfully, and after a while, they will ban you. I've taken a look on Chase Station. They got higher margin rate than Ash Kia, so nope. FTMO is best for industry trading. Well, it's CFD broker, a CFD platform, right? So I've traded with them before when I'm trading forex. But if you like in some restricted countries in other futures platform, then you get no choice but only use FTMO, isn't it? How about Weibo? Isn't it a Chinese broker? No way. No way I'm gonna disclose any of my information to them. We're inside a 1 hour bullish FVG right now. And here is the end dot. This is the daily FVG. Price hit this liquidity, dip into daily FVG, and then go back. Well, actually, if price gonna like go down to with this whole gap, then I won't take the trade because it's not something I like. And I think I only take this kind of trade during New York session because this move is quite large for London. That's what I think. Oh my god, this looks really good. But shit. Top one futures is horrible. I'm not using them, so I can say anything about it. I took a look at it and I don't like it. And I saw those like the founders have some racist comments on Asians, right? you can search it on Twitter. It's public. But honestly, if the platform is good enough for me to forget all those racist things, then I will use them. I will still gonna use them. But for now, I don't think they got like good rules or good price. So I'm now just sticking with Tradify, TPT, and Apex. And yes, Apex have 80% off right now for 2 days, I guess, right? Do you wait for liquidity sweep before you enter a trade? Most of the time, yes, most of the time. Sometimes if there's a SMT, then I won't wait for it. Okay, right now this one is invalid, so maybe I'm wrong. So I think in this case, maybe I'm wrong. I love this LLL, but it seems like it's not happening in this session. Well, I'm gonna accept it if I'm wrong. I'm okay with it. I mean, after all, I didn't lose money, right? ES didn't hit the daily average yesterday. All right. Let me take a look. Yeah. Oh, okay. I see it. Trading wheel sucks for execution. It is. It is. You know, the candle moves so slow compared to other brokers, right? But I don't want to learn another trading platform, you know, because you gotta need some time to get used to the whole new trading platform. Although it may not like very complicated, but you still need time for it, and it's just unnecessary, right? So, well, actually, if Ninja or TraderVay have that function that I want, showing a dollar a month, I'm gonna use that for sure, for sure. Okay, thanks, Sophie, for the updates. Apex sales gonna end on 20th May, so not 2 days, it's like 15 days or more, right? It's great. So price keep coming down. Well, well, I don't see any short setup right now. I mean, even though the price is going down, but you can't short when there's so many LL up right here. I can. We got relative equal high here. Just not safe. Just not safe for the long for the short position. But yeah, if we like coming down to here, it's a lot. Like around 100 prawns. Well, I don't typically trade 100 prawns in London session, so I I think it's just not my trade. Yeah, so trading wheel has more delayed than other platform, right? I don't know how to solve this because it's been a long time. It's not like it just happened in these few months. It's been like that since I was using trading view. So I guess they just don't want to change this problem. Or maybe they can do it technically. Did you learn ICT concept from Michael or any other mentor? Um, you asking because you find Michael's video a little chaotic. Well, first I watch ICT himself, and then if I found some traders that I think they got good trading strategies or good in trading psychology, then I'll like pay for the premium service and learn from them. I'll do both. I don't find problems of buying calls or joining premium service because me personally pay a lot of money on these kind of service, like really a lot of. so so I think it's valuable. I'm totally fine with those people, but of course you gotta choose wisely. Some of them are just simply called seller, but some of them are like the real deal. Then we can learn from the real deal with just like a few hundreds or $1,000 is totally worth it. But of course, you have like if you can afford those amount of money, just learn it on YouTube. I mean, it's okay. It's not like you have to pay for the course or other service. It's totally fine to use the free course. All right, keep coming down. I think I'm glad I push my stop loss to break even so early because I'm wrong. I was wrong. Totally wrong. And I'm just here showing how my like chase look like, how uh, what is my thought process during the trade ideas. I'm not saying like I'm the best or what, I'm gonna take losing chase or have wrong analysis because I'm just a human being, okay? I'm just a typical trader, just like you guys. There's nothing special here. So because you gotta accept it. If you think you're the best, it's not a good idea. You're gonna make like more one decision if you think you're the best. Well, thanks all of you. I mean, there's sometimes I didn't even take a trade or just talking shit here, and you guys still like willing to watch the stream. I appreciate it seriously because I know like some of you may want to copy trade or have some signal. Like seriously, don't copy me because I've talked about it so many times that my average win rate is 40 to 45%. So that means what? I take a lot of losing trade. So if you copy me, all right, you can take responsibility with your own chase and own loss. Would you ever trade Asia in near future? Nope, definitely not. I mean, price action in Asia session sucks. I won't do it. It's just a waste of time. Um, now price clearly bearish. But just wow, I got nothing. I have no trade idea right now. Because at first I wanna like take a long position up to here and see if price gonna go down again, but now it's kind of too late. I don't think any long idea gonna be valid because we're kind of deep in the range, right? Let me see. Okay, we just reached 50% of the dealing range. Have you ever traded Hong Kong index? No, it's a shit index. It's highly manipulated. I'll say it's not for beginners. It's just if you're like a seasoned trader, yeah, you can make a lot of money in those index, but I won't try it. I won't even want to try it. And um, when I'm live streaming, I feel like it's easy for me to want to force a trade, but I guess it is what it is. Guess I have to be patient right now. Because I really have no idea right now. What are you guys thinking? Tell me your ideas. What do you think? No idea, to be honest. Same here, same here. Will you do reverse chase when your PD arrays fails? I I'll do it in New York session, New York AM session. Especially right at the market open. But I won't do it in London. Because you know what, like in London session, if you have the wrong bias, it gonna hurt a lot. Because price moves so slow, and you tend to try again and try again, then it's thousands cuts. Because in like New York session, when you get a losing trade, you know you're wrong, and then you just wait for a better setup with opposite chase, right? But like in London session, because price moves so slow, you don't know if you are really wrong or correct, or maybe you were wrong at that time, and then after 15 minutes, you're correct again. That's what London session is. Yeah, you think it gonna stay in the range until FOMC, right? You're right, actually. I think we can get any decent setup before FOMC. But I don't want to make it like an excuse. Like every time we have a high impact news, so we can trade because there's a high impact news waiting for us. Kind of excuse, like because actually some of the time we can trade, but we just kind of scared, you know, because it's gonna affect the price action. But most of the time, I feel like it's a psychological problem rather than like really a setup problem. Because I don't want to like blame the news, blame the price session. Like, um, I'm wrong because price session sucks. I'm wrong because there's high impact news, so now it's choppy. I mean, sometimes it's just our own faults, and we have to accept that. Trading with the huge opening candle range is no man's land. You're right. You're right. Well, honestly, if I'm not on the live stream today, I probably won't. I will skip the London session. Just take some trades to fulfill the trading days on my fund accounts and then stop. If I'm not on live stream, I think that's what I gotta do. No giveaways on stream today. Oh come on, you're so greedy. I won't have it like every day, you know. And you guys have to support this live stream so I can ask for more, right? Because those platforms gonna look at the data if there's like enough people watching the stream, how's the views, how's the likes, how's the subscribers, all right, things like that. So like and subscribe, help this channel grow, and we're gonna have like more giveaways in the coming future. How do you determine dealing range? Um, I don't know how to talk about that. Wait a moment. I know I shouldn't show it on live stream, but I show it anyway. You can see it. Price, sweep, sell side liquidity, and also buy side liquidity, and with a large move, large range. That's how it is. I'm not gonna show it like long time. It's like don't let anyone know it. Because I think this graph like already told everything, and you don't have to talk about it with words. I love this graph. You're giving away knowledge. That's a good sentence. That's great. I love it. Just once you didn't log in and you gave 5 giveaway. Yeah. So you gotta be like um careful and look like turn on your notification so you won't miss it. Because I kind of like um turn on the live stream quite random. I still don't have any fixed schedule. Maybe next week. Maybe next week or the week after. Because I have something cooking. I'm something cooking. Not cost selling, okay? Not cost selling, just some other things. I keep wanting to long a trade, and that sucks. It's gonna kills me because if I'm wrong, I'm gonna have 1,000 cuts. So patient. I'm gonna be patient. I'm just simply missing a chase. I'm alright. Is it soon? Maybe next week. I'm not so sure yet, but it won't be long. It will be in this month. Wait until 3 a.m. Good idea. Yeah, you guys give me patience. Seriously. Talking to you guys, so I won't take any chase. Not a pay cost. No, no, no. No, I'm not selling any calls. Because I find, you know, teaching people that have no basic knowledge is just so tired, you know. So I don't want to do that again. If like someone really want to learn, I hope they have at least the basic knowledge, right? Like real basic. If I have to tell you how to read a candle, I mean that's ridiculous and kind of a waste of time, right? So I don't want to do it, not anymore. Any indicators that you find helpful for turtle soup? No, I don't find. I just use my own eyes. You think it's the other way around? We are learning how to be patient from you. So we are helping each other. Right. Because of you, I'm patient, and you, because of me, you're patient. That's good. Will I become a fool and sew up a Lambo? Nope. No way. I think only guys like Lambo, isn't it? Because I don't really like cars. I would rather need a driver. I want to drive myself. Why would I need a car? Just someone drive me, please. Well, I'm not gonna lie. I really want to try this one. Is this a chap? What do you think? Is this a chap? You and Beth Jazz are the first two female ICT traders you follow. Well, thank you. Wow, I haven't like hear from her for a while. I think she's like having live stream on a Discord server, right? I don't remember the name, but yeah, I think she keep on backtesting and have trading live stream inside Discord server. I really like her. I mean, I learned a lot from her. Back then, I know nothing about ICT concept, and I just she helped me a lot. Looks like a chap, right? Uh, okay. I guess we will know it at 3, right? If it's a trap or because we're now in 50%, so it's a reasonable trade. So I don't know. Oh, you're in her Discord. She only do live to do back testing. Oh, so she's not like having live trading. But actually, it's not bad, right? I mean, back testing is like so important during our trading career. But honestly, I personally don't like backtesting. It's just boring, you know. I don't like it, but I'm still gonna do it because it's necessary and it's gonna help me with my purpose and for long term. So I'm gonna do it anyway. But I'm just being honest. I don't like it. just like just like hitting the gym. I don't like working out, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm boring. Price didn't even move. You can't hear me because I'm muting myself. I try hard to stay awake. Same here. The weather is kind of gloomy today in my area. So it's worse. It's making things worse. J Rope. I have no idea who this is. Um, does he have a YouTube channel or Twitter account? I'll take a look. Well, actually, I think there's no problem to sowing your chase or doing money shots on like your social media because it's just social media, right? You can do anything with it. But like, there's always people saying you guys are just like want people to compliment you or just wanna be honored. It's just not something like that. Just like posting photos on Instagram, right? Because it's your Instagram, so you can take whatever you want. So if like showing a chase helping you and you feel good about it, and just keep on doing it. Because like at first when I started using like Twitter, I was just use this at like my trading journal. I was just posting my trades, like my analysis and what I did wrong, right? So, and I have no idea why people can find me because I'm just like doing my thing at that time. And I think it's totally fine. Oh, wait. And I'm inside this trap again. I may be wrong. Guess I'm not patient enough, right? We were just talking about wait for 3 a.m. But so it's like around 10 pounds for $100. So I think this is the risk that I'm okay with. So that's the reason why I took this trade. Because I will always want a long position. I've been talking about this the whole live stream, but still, I still think there's 50% I'm wrong. And why I took that trade before 3 a.m. because what I think is if there's a move at 3, then it's gonna take price higher if I'm right. And if I'm wrong, it's gonna hit my stop loss. And it's gonna keep going down. It's just like the 2 a.m. move that I typically chase. Well, at least I'm doing it all real here. I'm not hiding. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna showing the losing trade right in front of all of you. I'm not hiding. I mean, it's my real account. You can see it. So, and I'm gonna say it's 50%. 50%. Like seriously. Do you recommend taking note from when you start framing your trade all the way? Well, but I mean, in reality, when you're trading, you don't really have time to take notes, right? Because you gotta read the price and to manage different trading platform, look at different asset. You don't really have time to drop looks. Alright, now it's 3 a.m., right? And we're gonna see if I'm in a trap or oh, it's okay if I'm in a trap. It's not really okay, but I have to accept it anyway, right? I don't like it. Price dip into a 1 minute BC right now and going up. Well, it's like a small move, so I'm hoping like the 3 a.m. move gonna give me more. Now it's like moving too slow. I don't like it. Shouldn't be like that. Gambling. Who gamble with $100? Tell me. Okay, I'm adjusting my stop loss to the rig, so it's like $38 right now. If I'm wrong, when price hit this price, I'm gonna make it to break even. Those who said this is a gambling, I'm sure they have never gambled any. They have never been to a casino before. I mean, if you gamble only using $100, just just stay at home. Like seriously. Hey Jerry, morning. Ah, a little bit slow than I thought. I think I'm gonna move it now, like so. Save again. Should I take partial? Do you want me to take partial? Because I don't know. Even for that's not a lot. Maybe I'm taking here, taking some. Okay. I don't even how to. I don't even know how to set the parcel here because I normally don't take parcel. I'm still in this chair. I'm adjusting. Okay, I don't know how to take parcel on this training. What the? Okay. Got it. Okay, I have no idea how to do it, so I give up. Guess I should be familiar with this thing first, but I just don't know how to do it. Sorry. So slow. Come on, if you're gonna hit my break-even, then hit it. Don't just chop, alright? If I'm trading mini, I will a lot better, but that's 38 points if I close my trade here. 48. It's okay with 38 points because like I normally trade 2 mini in performance, like in like for my first trade. So if I trade 2 mini, it's gonna be like 1,500. But now I'm trading 5 Michaels. God. Click a cost button and there will be a new window. Because I log in my trading account in work-based trading view, not the software trading view. So it's separate. Well, actually, we got like LL down here too. So now it's like not really a good trade. I'm honest. Now it doesn't look good. It's better to enter here, honestly. Now it's like okay. Someone teach me how to use the password. Now I'm trying. Aha! Oh my god, I can see it now. But no, I don't want to take password. But I already passed through that myself. Now I don't want to take password. It's just $300 and I have to take password. I just want to take break even, honestly. I mean, even if I'm correct about this trade, I just took what, like $300. Guys, what is that? Come on, if you want to give me, then give me, okay? I don't want to waste my time with $300 with you, NQ. NQ, come on, you hear me? I don't need $300. Don't waste my time. You took partial? I know, I didn't. Because I don't know how to manage it. And someone just taught me, but for $300, I was just leave it. Just leave it. No, I mean, like, why would I? Now it's like, how much? $70. I don't need $70. Like, honestly, I don't need $70. I can give back to you. Thank you. Take it. I don't need $100. I don't need it. Someone just said that I'm gambling with $100. See, I'm now I give it back to you. I don't need it. I think you can set a limit order and change the card. Yeah, I just found it. And The reason that I normally don't take parcel because I trade with large position size, as you may see, and I use scalping, so I don't have to like. I'm not that type of leaving a runner for 100 pawns. I just close it all at a time with like smaller pawns. Well, now I'm like 1 pawn above my entry pawn. My stop loss is so I'm safe, and that's enough for commission and other fees. So that's so slow. What the hell are you doing? We take a look what ES doing right now. Okay, ES doing nothing. I already want to close this trade. Okay, it closed. I'm actually a lot happier than holding this trade. Okay, so I have like $5 for that trade. $5. No, I think no, that's enough. It's so slow. Yes, I know FOMC debut because I'm on live stream. Don't you understand? That's why I have to do all these things. If I'm on my own, I don't even do analysis at that time, okay? I don't have to analyze this kind of shit price action. I just sleep on my bed. Because I'm on live stream, that's why I do all these things. Talking about price, comparing ES and NQ, and talking shit with you, you know. It's not like I like the price action right now, or I really want to make money with this situation. Don't force a trade. It's actually hard to not force a trade when you're live streaming. It's real. It's real. Because if you don't take trades, people's gonna complain. And if you take trades, people still gonna complain. And if you take winning trades, people still gonna complain. No matter what you did, right? Oh, you're new here. Hi. I hope I didn't like scare you off. I'm not entry again. I mean, it's enough for like 2 trades. Because I did demonstrate something, right? They provide something I need to provide. You mean this one? Like seriously, who the fuck are you? Like, okay, I shouldn't be mad, right? But it's my channel, so I can be mad anytime. Because I'm in my own YouTube channel. I'm not representing anyone or any group. It's just me. That's why I'm gonna say anything I want. Um, I think for London session, 2 days is enough. But I'm gonna keep like reading price and see how it goes. This is so easy to have 1,000 cuts in London session. I've been there, so I had a strict limit for my trades during London. I think I shouldn't trade Michael actually because it's gonna mess with my mind. I mean, I don't even want to take partial. I don't want to close my trade or anything because it's just I don't even know what I'm doing with $300. Oh, why am I even in this trade? Like to trade for $300? I mean, I'm wrong trading with Michael. I should be trading Mini. It's just ridiculous. You just request your first payout. Congratulations. Which platform is it? All the trades were in London. Okay, well done. Apex, yeah. I just got denied a payout from Apex yesterday, saying I think I break one of the rule, like the 30% drawdown negative PNL. I think it's that. So I gotta trade 8 more days for another payout cycle. Crazy. But still, because they are like the only one that we can scale up with trendy accounts, and the only one that you can have like a million payout, like or like 2 million payouts in the future. So you gotta use it anyways. We just gotta accept the bad about Apex. What's your model for London? I typically um trade with the Asian range, like when Asian high or Asian low gas sweep, then I will enter with IFVG or FVG or order block and head to one of the liquidity, maybe internal liquidity or external. We see how ES move to determine that. Well, I think I enter with correct analysis. We got Asian O sweep. We have two 1 minute IFVG here, right? So I enter right around here. We got a 1 minute BC price go down and it go up and price go down again. So I'm right. What the fuck? Who the fuck told me I'm gambling? Find that guy. Find that guy. I'm gonna fucking ban him. Do you use SMT with that model? No, not really. I mean, like SMT is not my. It's not compulsory because sometimes it's not. What should I say about? I won't use SMT as confirmation signal. I only use it as one of the conference. So it's not the SMT to decide if I should enter this trade or not. Can I see it? It's going up. But, you know. I mean, I think the mistake I made is trading on Michaels. Because it messed up my mind. I don't even want this trade because the reward is not that attractive. So I it just I just don't like it at all. I mean, even if I win this trade, I have only $300, and even my original final TP was here is only 500. So still, it's not even 1,000. Uh, I think the thing I did wrong is trading in micros. but just as what I did before, many of the time, price hit my break even and then go up. But I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna take my stop loss to break even very soon because, as I said, like preserve capital is my first priority. Because I've been there. I mean, not moving my stop loss, insist that it's gonna go to my TP. I've been there, and it doesn't go well. That's the reason why I'm now changing my approach. I know people may say it's gonna kill the chase, but I would rather kill the chase. Because I'm not those people like trading with high time frame and took only like one trade a day. I took many trades a day. And the reason that I can take so many trades because I trail my stop loss to break even. Protect myself. So I always have enough capital to take another trade. So you don't reference to yes or YM. I reference to yes, but like it's not that important, I would say. Okay, we now have 996 subscribers. We need 4 more. We need 4 more in this live stream. We need to hit 1,000 in this live stream. Who still haven't subscribed? Click the subscribe button. Hit the like button. We are both midnight open. Let me take a look. Okay, see. Where are you from? Take a guess. What do you think? Someone's already knew the answer. Yes, Hong Kong, Hong Kong. I got a heavy Hong Kong accent in my English, isn't it? You just pays the limit order. Well, I'm done for trading London session. I think I'm frame enough trades. I'm just thinking about the trades that I took. I was like, here is the like most ideal entry point, but because I took break even here, right here, I think. So it kind of scared me a little bit that I may take one of the 1,000 cuts if I entry here. So I wait a little bit more. Because if I entry here, then my break even won't get hit, right? But still, it's okay. It's 300, just 300. Where are you guys from? I'm always curious who are watching me. Because I'm not very fluent in English, as you can already realize that. Because so I'm not so sure if the native English speakers gonna want to listen to me. SG Singapore, HK. Great, we got lots of Hong Kong traders here. Kenya. Alright, that's far away. Scotland. Okay, that's great. I love Scotland. Boston. Oh, Jerry, you in Boston? Canada. But you know what is funny because I think I did that like many times that I'm right about the analysis, but I got hit by break even in my trade. Definitely not the first time, right? Last week or last week, I think we've done that before. It's so deja vu. Okay, we hit 1,000 subscriber. I didn't even realize when was it? Thank you for subscribing. We just reached this milestone on this live stream. That's awesome. But please don't unsubscribe after this live stream, alright? Please don't do that. You move your stop up too fast. Yeah, I'm always thinking about this because every time I hit my break even, I'll ask myself, should I not moving that stop loss? But you know, when you're not moving that, you're gonna taking a loss. If you know what I mean. And I've backtested before. I think moving it to break even is a lot better for me. Oh, that's like for me, for my model, for my backtest result. You shouldn't have this like conclusion until you backtest your model, because everyone's different, right? Yes, we hit 1K. Awesome. When is the best time to visit Hong Kong? Um, that's none. Don't come to Hong Kong. It's not a this. Just go to other places. Trust me. Trust me. You just missed it. You work in Hong Kong for 6 months? Oh. I'm just waiting to see if NQ's gonna hit this one, the original TP that I got on my tray. Well, although, if you ask me, I would say we should take partial here, this one with this buy side and this buy side. But actually, in reality, if I'm like trading with that contract size, I won't take partial, just because I won't be happy even having that's to like I don't know, $150. I won't be happy. It's not something I want. This one, you mean the relative equal? Or it's not really relative, isn't it? It's like 2 points. How do I overcome that? Because I just want to take a long position, as I always want. Wow, it's been an hour and 30 minutes today. Wow. Can't believe that. I mean, we watched this shit move like turtle with an hour and 30 minutes. I feel like I've done nothing. You weren't expecting much since the big rally at Open and then FOMC. Yeah. So I talked about it in Discord, right? I'm kind of thinking about canceling the live stream. It's okay, we can still. Now we know we shouldn't spend time on chart before FOMC. Do you use QT Quant I've used Quant before. Used once and I really regret using it. I don't like it at all. Do you use standard deviation? Yes. Yes. Not very often. Not very often. When I'm framing high time frame analysis, I will use. And when I'm aiming for like a large move, then I will use it. But like for scalping, I normally don't use it. Quarterly theory. Nope. I don't think I've learned about quarterly theory. I heard about that, but I didn't like study it. It's slow. It's so slow. From here to here is like 30 minutes. Wow, 30 minutes for like 30 points? 40? Huh. Yeah, not the best PA today, right. So I'm glad that I have you guys. So we can been through this Bangkok and choppy price session together. I don't have to face it all by myself. Do you use Finda? Oh, the new chain model? Nope. So boring right now. Guys, hit the like button if you're enjoying the stream or if you wanna watch another live stream this week. Do you want another live stream? Like tomorrow or Friday? Okay, no one is answering. No one is answering me. None of you want it. You are the London master? No. Didn't you see I just got to break even? You right? Great, great. Well, I think like not every London session look like it, so there's gonna be time that we can make some profit. Just not today. Well, well, I'm right about the direction at least. So once again, I'm good with my analysis, but just the analysis. Imagine if I'm still in this chair, I would be crazy. Like, it's just I don't know, 1 pawn, like 1 pawn to my TP, but chopping here. Imagine if I'm like still inside this chair, I'm gonna go crazy. Well, if price like pass through this BC, I don't know, it may like go reverse. We have another BC though. We'll see. We don't have SMT. Do we have SMT? This one. Oh, I think it's a slight small SMP. Do you normally trade MYAM pre-FOMC? Just the market open. I'll see if market open like 9:30 to 9:35. If there's like good setup, then I will. But I won't wait like until silver bullet hours, like 10 a.m. I won't wait that long. And I know like some people don't like trading the market open like 9:30. They feel like it's another gamble, but it's actually pretty decent setups there every day, like literally every day. You're going back to bed. Well, I want to do it too. So maybe I think we call it a day, right? And since I'm not taking a lunch anymore, and we have a move. The move we want already exists. So click the like button, and I'll see you tomorrow. What do you think? Is that good? Thank you for coming. Seriously. I'm glad to have you guys to be here with me trading with the London session. And I want to see you all tomorrow once again. Goodbye.